Hello guys, before ending this section, I want you guys to get a clear understanding on all the digital marketing terms and keywords, which I will use it throughout this whole course and throughout this teaching. So if you could understand the terms which I've used for the tutorial, for the screencast video or the lectures, it will ease you a lot throughout your learnings. And so right now, let's try to revise a bit and get terms right and clear. Alright, so first example would be building your own email list. So email list is one of the most powerful monetization method when it comes to digital marketing and email marketing. So when people talking about building your own email list, it's also known as capturing email leads. So leads are contacts which have pretty high potential to buy products from you or buy your products that consider your potential clients or customers, so they are called leads. So leads can also be known as business leads or just leads itself. Email address is the most important contact information for a particular lead or business lead. So you can email them updates, promotions, educational announcement, or whatever it is. And this is how you connect with them nowadays, especially when it comes to niche marketing, where you can email them niche products. And apart from that, people sometimes tend to use the term get subscribers. So they are also known as business leads or leads. So the terms are email leads, business leads, subscribers, email addresses. All these contacts are inside your email list. So it comes to a question on how to build up your own email list, how to get subscribers and all this stuff. And one of the methods is to buy solo ads, which is a paid traffic. And another free method is, of course, is through the organic search engine. Sometimes when you try to Google something inside the search engine, you will see some website or some blog popping out on the result. And this is how you get free traffic. But in order to have that, you really need to have a good fundamental in building your own website with search engine optimization methods. However, let's try to focus back on solo ads. So solo ad is an advertisement that is being composed into an email. Most of the solo ads are being offered in Udemy platform. That is one of the most secured platform to buy. And in the previous tutorial, I've already shown you guys on how to buy solo ads in Udemy platform. And right now we just try to revise a bit. So the picture as you've seen on the screen is an email swipe. So from the contents, you can see there are two embedded links inside. And these two links are actually advertisements where this will bring readers to a page where promotion will be presented or promotion will be carried out in that particular page. And all these swipes will be sent to solo ads seller email list. If you're buying solo ads, it means that you are solo ads buyer. Okay, so solo ad seller will use this particular email swipe and email to that seller's subscribers or that seller email list. And when the seller subscribers click on the link, and when they will go to a squeeze page. So squeeze page, also known as landing page or opt-in page. You will rarely hear people say opt-in page. Most of the time they will say squeeze page. So this squeeze page will basically offer a lead magnets for free. Most of the time it will be free in exchange with information for that potential subscribers. If you try to notice the right portion of this squeeze page, the visitors will need to enter their email address and name to access to this lead magnet, which is the internet marketing and action blueprint. So once they fill in, it will be look something like this. So once visitors fill in the particulars or information, so as you can see there are email address and the name. This kind of form is known as opt-in form or sign-up form, sometimes can also known as pop-ups. So if you remember previously I say squeeze page also can known as opt-in page. This is mainly because the page has an opt-in form just like this one as you can see on the screen. So you probably have done a lot subscribing to many people, subscribing to a brand or a company. So you just probably know what are the processes and what is the name in terms of it. So if that person David fill in the name and email address, click on the button, so a confirmation email will be sent to David. And confirmation email is a typical process when it comes to subscription. You probably have encountered this kind of thing, and the main reason for a confirmation to be sent is because most of the people try to put in fake email address to get something for free. Probably you have done that too. So this confirmation email is simply to avoid scams, to avoid fake emails to be stored into their database. So they need to confirm whether you are a legit email address holder so they can get an accurate information from you. So once David click on the subscription link, the confirmation link inside the email, normally a welcome email will be sent with the lead magnet download access to David. So David maybe can download the free lead magnets inside this email address, or inside this email content he can be directed to a download page to download the free lead magnets. So all these features such as confirmation email, welcome email, the opt-ins, all are being done automatically and can be done by an autoresponder software, or we call an email marketing software. And email marketing software can help you to do all these things automatically, and I will teach you how to do that. So if you already have an email marketing software such as Aweber or GetResponse, probably you can still use that throughout this course. But if you don't have one, I'm not going to promote any kinds of email marketing software to you. Sometimes you have to buy for it. I'm probably going to recommend a free autoresponder software which is good enough for this whole course. Alright, so let's carry on. So in this process, and David has submitted his email address and he has confirmed it. So right now he is a subscriber. Alright, he is a subscriber, he is a lead, he is a business lead as well. So the whole process, we call it subscription, we also call it opt-in, and we also call it conversion. So there are so many terms when it comes to this kind of thing. So just don't try to misunderstand all these terms and keywords. Most of the time they represent the same meaning. So once David's email address is being captured inside the email marketing autoresponder software, and an automation series or follow-ups will be sent to him. So normally follow-ups can be sent automatically, and you can write it beforehand and save it inside the autoresponder software, and it can be started automatically for every newly captured subscribers. So follow-up is simply an educational announcement where you can put in some reference link. So if subscribers are interested on the educational information, they can click on the link and refer to other articles or blogs or website. So apart from that, if you can see on the last part of the email, it is a postscript section, or we know it as PS section. So PS section is where you can put in some freestyle sentence, and also you can promote other products as well. And this is how you educate your subscribers and be able to promote products at the same time without chasing them away. So for all the process which I have briefed to you, you will be able to do all these things at the end of this course. So it sounds amazing, right? And not only that, you are able to do all these things, email marketing campaigns, and also you'll be able to get affiliate commissions by having all these follow-ups and broadcast emails, which I will teach you in the future tutorials. So I hope you guys can understand the whole concept in digital marketing or email marketing, and also to know how a done-for-you program can earn money for you, and also to know how people in affiliate marketing or digital marketing can earn money without depending on a done-for-you program. So I want you guys to understand one thing before you carry on to the next tutorial, is that to really understand all the terms and keywords in digital marketing. So if you listen to most of the expert marketers or any other affiliate marketers, when they speak this kind of terms and keywords, you have to understand what they are trying to say. And for example, that understand that opt-in page has the same meaning as landing page and squeeze page. And to know the definition of solo ads and how to buy solo ads, how to build up your business leads, your subscribers, those things are pretty important as well. So understanding all these terms and keywords would ease you and help you a lot throughout this course, especially when you try to listen to my tutorials and screencast video tutorials. And it also will help you a lot on how to build an online business in digital marketing to earn money online. So if you're ready now, let's proceed to the next section.